All right, so today we'll be talking about end devices and intermediary network devices. End devices are sources or destinations of a network system. The rest of the network is built around them. Servers are an end device that provides data for others. So an example of an end device would be something like a desktop computer, while an intermediary device would be like the router. The router would transfer the server from the router to the desktop computer. Clients have software to request and display data, and they each have their own address.
Um, Examples of end devices: desktop computer, laptop, printer, IP phone, wireless tablet, telepresence endpoint, security cameras, file servers, and web servers.
So intermediary devices are devices that deliver data like routers and things like that. They connect end devices to a network. So they connect servers to computers and vice versa. They connect individual networks to form an internetwork. So like what the other group was talking about, they can connect like LANs together to form a WAN and things like that. They also restrict data flow based on like security preferences and things like that. They notify the end devices of failures in the pathways to get from one end device to another, and they maintain information on the pathways to like see which ones are working and which ones aren't. And they use the IP address of the destination end device to connect, and the information on the connection to determine like what's the best path for the data to take to get from one end device to another.
Right. So since intermediate network devices connect like host and a network to server, and they ensure the data flow across the network. Some of the examples are like a firewall, and they like ensure like the security of a network and multiple devices. And modems and routers ensure interworking properties of a network. Uh, Things like connecting different like your phone. When you go to like someone's house, you use a router to connect to like their Wi-Fi. Switches and wireless access points make sure that you have the network access so you can connect to the internet and use the end devices.